If you're wondering whether you can chat with your followers on Duolingo, the answer is yes. This feature is a great way to stay in touch with friends who are also learning a new language on Duolingo. Let's get started. Open your Duolingo app and sign in with your account. If you don't have one yet, click Get Started and then Continue. Fill out the necessary information for you to be prepped on making your Duolingo account. Just so you know, there will be few practices depending on your preferred language, but don't you worry because it's beginner friendly. Once you're done, you'll be directed to the homepage of the app where you can see your level of learning and also the number of units per section that you will take. On the bottom of the page, there are 6 tabs there, and since our goal is to chat using Duolingo, you might want to choose the bell icon. After doing so, just click Add Friends. There will be 2 options that you can choose from: Find Contacts and Invite Friends. Pick whatever you desire. Input the username or the number of the person that you're trying to chat with so that you can proceed on sending a message to that person. If you want to connect with more Duolingo users, I highly suggest that you complete your profile and you will automatically find friends near your location or if you have connected it to your Facebook account. That's all, and thank you for watching.